Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I know it's been a long time. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for continuing to support this channel and for watching my videos. The goal for this year is to post more and to stay engaged more. So thank you for encouraging me. If you have any question, I'm always good at answering in the comment section. Today I brought you a requested video of Ethiopian spice butter. I have some spices and herbs here. I'll bring the camera closer so you can see what they are. I also want to just mention that you may not find all of the spices and herbs. You can still make the butter. The most important herb is this one called koseret. You can always find it in Ethiopian convenience stores. The next one is kororima. I thought I'd just show you how it looks like. This is the seed that came out of it, this cute pod. If you open it, I'll bring the camera closer and show you. We have this one called Mood. I will find the name in English. This is also important, and you can easily find this one at Asian stores. And the black seed, of course, called kalongi seed. If you have basic few ingredients, you can make the batter. The other things, you can find fenugreek easily in stores. I use toasted fenugreek. If you toast it, it takes away the bitterness and it gives it like really nice flavor and like fragrance. I have coriander powder, which you can also find in store. I also have a little bit of turmeric. It's optional. It's more for the color, I would say. And then I also have few cloves. I have few green cardamom. Also, every family have their own recipes that they tweak here and there, so you could do the same thing. Most of the time, I don't actually have all these herbs. I just had somebody bring me a bunch of stuff from Ethiopia. My mom sent it. Thank you, Mom. I always have this one. This is actually from my mom's garden. She harvests, washes it, and dry it and sends it to me. It's very special. Usually, I don't have all of this stuff, so I would just use the koseret, Ethiopian cardamom, and then the black and white seed. The fenugreek, I can easily find that one. Then you can also add fresh basil leaf to it, garlic and ginger. You can really make this thing your own. If I'm making it in this way, I'm gonna use it for stews. I'll bring the camera closer and show you each separately. This butter is so flavorful. It will take anything to the next level when you add to it. I love to use it in stews, especially the spicy stews like red lentils. I can make some recipes with it and share with you as well. I hope it was easy enough for you to follow. I'll leave the ingredients in the description below. Please let me know if you try it. I would really love to hear from you. And thank you again for watching my videos. If you enjoyed, please share, like, and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.